TaxDome YouTube Academy. Adding clients to TaxDome. Hello everyone, this is Rick with TaxDome, and today we'll be discussing how to get your clients into the TaxDome CRM system. Now, as you know, having information about all your clients in the system is a great way to manage them very easily. There's several ways of adding clients to TaxDome. You can do that manually, one by one, or you can import a file to upload them all at once. And we're going to walk through both of those options today. So to add a client one by one, let's simply navigate to the upper left corner. We're going to click on New, and from here we will select Client. And right here, we're on our Create Client page. This is where you can start entering some information about your client and their email address at blah, 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 blah. Okay. You also have some options here to select that this account does not have an email, and you can include a personalized message when the invitation goes out. Now, if this happens to be for a business instead of personal, we'll simply navigate to the account type, and instead of personal, select non-personal, and we can put business account. Right down here, you see that there's some more information you can do. Let's click on that. And right here, you can start entering their phone number, street address, city, state, and zip code if you like. And again, you can include a personal message here that will be added to the invitation email that gets sent out to each one of your clients. Now, once you've entered the information, well, it's time to invite them to register. So you would simply click on the Create User Account in the lower right here to send that invitation by email to them. Once they open it up, they set up their password and their account is activated. Now, if you happen to have a lot of clients, it may be easier to add them to TaxDome all in one batch. So to do that, let's go back to our Client tab right here, and we can go to Import Client List, or we can select Client Import. Either one gets you to the same spot. So when we go here, you have a few options. If you needed a template in order to fill out to import all of the information, you can click in the lower right corner to download that template. That template, just to show you what it looks like this. And this is just something that we've pre-populated here, but this allows you to fill out the information and then import it into TaxDome. It's just there to help you out if you do not already have an Excel file ready to go. But if you do, then you can click skip this step right here, and it goes back to uploading a populated file. So for this, we're going to select a file that's already on our system. We'll click on that, and here we have a template that we've already created right here. Once you're done here, you simply click Next, and you go on with the process. Now, depending on the number of records that you have, importing might take some time, so be patient as it works through the list. Once it's finished, you will be presented with a report where you will see how many clients were imported and how many failed to import. So to do that, we can actually go and get some additional information here. We can click on the last import details, which will tell you what you recently did. And you can also go back to import history right here. And this will tell you what happened with each one of those. You can choose to show those that were only successful or those that had a failure, that there was something wrong with that particular client that allows you to go back, make the changes that you need to make. Finally, I want to show you that up here is pending activation. Once you send out the list and your clients receive that, if they have not activated their TaxDome account, it will show you this right here. Wanted to reach out to them and resend the invite? Well, simply click Resend Invite right here, and that will go right out to them. And that's really all there is to importing your customer information, either one by one or in a batch. So that wraps up everything for today. If you wanted to see more information like this, be sure to head back to the TaxDome YouTube channel to register, and that will help keep you up to date on new information and new features that we have available. Thanks for joining us today. Have a great rest of your day.